Hey guys, how's it going? So welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to be going over this wireless charger I bought to charge my wireless mouse. So I bought it off of Amazon for $13 and hopefully it works, but I don't know. I guess we will find out. The brand is called Fast Charger. I don't know. That's all it says. So I guess we're just going to have to go with that for now. Okay, so when I was doing the unboxing part, my mic was not working for some reason, so I don't know, I'll just go over what was in the box here. So the first thing we got is the user manual, and the instructions are pretty basic. And then we have a USB cord, well it's a USB Type-C, so here's your USB end, and then USB Type-C right here. And this thing is just over 3 feet. I think it was 40 inches long when I measured it. So I will probably not use that because it is actually not long enough for my use. And then here is the charger. So you got your logo there. The actual charging port is right on top right here. And then right here you have a plastic clear ring going around the outside where the LED indicators are, and you have it's blue and green. I think blue is for charging and green is for standby. And then on the back, other than my fingerprints, you got some anti-slip little pads. Okay, so a few other little features about this fast charger. And the first thing is, it is QI capable, so any QI capable devices should be able to charge on this just fine. And then it is also case friendly, so if you have a case on your phone, it should be able to charge through it. So this charger has fast charging. This is a 20 watt, and I guess if you want to use it at its peak speed, you want to make sure you have a 20 watt brick or whatnot. It does say in the user manual, I guess, I don't know if this is for the best results, you want to use a QC 3.0 adapter or a 5 volt 2 amp adapter to pretty much power this thing. And that's pretty much it. So let's plug this thing in and see how it works. Okay, so the main reason I bought this wireless charger is to pretty much eliminate one of my steps for when I actually have to charge my mouse. So usually when I need to charge it, I have to flip my mouse over, change it to the wired connection, and then plug it in if I'm going to still be using it, so to charge. And then as you can see right there, there's a little green indicator. That means it's charging. So I just wanted to kind of eliminate this step, so that's why I bought this thing. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually just going to use the same cord for my mouse for this thing. There we go. And then plug it in. So there's the lights from what I was talking about before. You got a blue and you got a green. Right now it's green. So I'm going to set it right there. So all I got to do is set the mouse on there. And as you can see, it turned blue, which means it's charging. That's it. That's pretty much the only reason I bought this thing.
The next day.
Okay, so there are a few other things that could be cause for concern about this charger. And the first thing is its build quality. When I shake it, you can kind of hear a rattle. I don't know if my mic's picking it up, but you can really hear it when you tap it. It just kind of sounds like something's loose, so I don't know. Who knows how long this thing will last. The next thing is certain devices do not work with it. My iPhone works with it fine. The mouse I use works with it, but my Apple iWatch does not. So who knows there either. And then I did have a little bug yesterday. It only happened once last night, but I'm not 100% sure if it happens all the time. I tried reproducing and was not able to get it. And it's where if I leave my mouse alone for too long, it kind of goes idle and then it kind of just cuts off all the power to it, so it will not take a charge. So until I move the mouse again, and then it will charge. So if it's sitting here, my computer's on, it may not charge, but I'm not 100% sure on this right now. So it's just something I'm gonna have to look into. So that's gonna be it for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please drop a like. And if you're new to the channel and you enjoy this kind of videos, please consider subscribing. And yeah, that's gonna be it. So I'll see you all in the next one.